What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The vlogs are back. We're free again, the vlogs are back. So, it's Halloween, we're gonna shoot out, we're gonna go to some haunted houses, I guess you could call it. People have got decorations up and stuff and some little like kind of house events on. So we're gonna go around, I'm gonna take you with us, and then we're gonna go through and I'll give you an update on things like the Supra, the Crown, the new car, all that kind of stuff. So let's jump on in and go and see some Halloween stuff. Okay, car updates. So, first one, Supra. Supra is completely painted. We're just doing some reassembly on it. So, the guys have actually just put the side skirts and rear pods on. I've got to head down there this week and put on things like the front bumper, the spoiler, stuff like that. Get it kind of finalized, and then I'll be able to bring it home. That is still on my spare wheels because I still haven't got my new lips in for the work, the VSKFs. Ordered them June 8th. It's now Halloween, still haven't got them. They should be getting sent from the UK next week, hopefully. And then once they're rebuilt and re-powder coated, all that sort of stuff, then I can pop them on. So then the Supra is done-ish. Then we still got to do the power mod, but that'll be later. Crown's sweet, loving it, it's all great. Still looking into things like the starry ceiling and either an aftermarket compressor or tank or something like that, so that we can go up and down a bit quicker. Because like on the meet, at the meet the other day, up the night, whatever it was, everyone left and I was stuck there because I had to air up and my compressor timed out halfway through. So, bit of a pain in situations like that, but yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. The valve on the exhaust that I want to do to bypass the resonator, no one wants to touch it. Every fab worker doesn't want to do it. It's just too hard basket. It seems like every fab worker just wants to get bolt-on stuff and then just throw it on. They don't actually want to fab anything. So really frustrating. I would have thought being in Melbourne there'd be a lot of fabricators and stuff, but it seems every fabricator in the whole of Australia lives anywhere but Melbourne. And the new car, I've actually got 25 minutes to bid on one. I may be getting a new one depending on what it comes up as with price. But yeah, I've got, I know, half an hour and the bidding closes. So I will let you guys know later this evening if we get that. I'm really hoping we do. It might not be a huge project. It might be a bit of a fixer-upper and then sell it on to fund another project, but we'll see what happens. We'll see if we even get it. But that's the update with all the cars at the moment. I didn't really get a lot of insight on what everyone wanted me to do with the next car, so I'm just going to do whatever I want, and hopefully all of y'all love it. So yeah, I figured I'd do this little bit now before we get to the Halloween houses, because we've still got some sun and lighting gets pretty terrible when it gets dark for vlogging. So let's head down, let's find out these houses, and let's see if they're pretty sick. man, that gets me so fired up that people are doing Halloween stuff in Australia, and it's just getting more and more and more every single year. I love Halloween. Halloween's literally my favorite time of the year. We try our best to get to America so we can go to the Halloween Horror Nights at Universal Studios. Obviously it hasn't been a thing the last couple of years, but we're hoping to go next year, so that'll be amazing. And obviously I will take you guys along with us and you'll be able to see all of it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, this little car update. Just another update, I'm gonna be adding in Saturday videos soon, and in a couple of weeks I'm gonna start Saturday uploads as well, and they are gonna be fitness related. So it's not gonna be me telling you how to do stuff, it's just gonna be kind of taking you guys along on my journey, kind of getting back into the gym, back into fitness, back into healthy eating, all that sort of stuff, because I have been on the slack junk food train for months now. So I'm gonna get back in and try and get myself back into a shape that I want to be in. So if you guys want to come along, I know I've had a bunch of you ask me to do this and said that you're interested. So I decided to add it in on a Saturday. So those of you that enjoy my, Monday and Thursday vlog and car uploads don't have to lose anything. It's just extra content for you guys. So I hope you enjoy that as well. So guys, if you've liked, please subscribe. It helps the channel out heaps. We're at 630 something subscribers, so getting close to that 1,000, and I'm super excited about it. And I hope you are too. So I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.